I have recently become interested in meditation and wondered if there were any benefits for meditation for students since I am one. In the last 40 years, there have been hundreds of studies done at various institutions and universities about the benefits of meditation. So there's a lot of information that's available on the internet. The studies that I found were conducted on junior high, high school, and college-age students. And while there are many techniques, most of the studies that have been done on a specific technique called transcendental meditation, or TM. Therefore, most of the benefits that I'll mention are a result of that technique. So what is TM? TM is a form of meditation that was developed by Maharishi Mahesh Yogi, who said mantra is a specific thought which suits us, a suitable sound for us which we receive from a trained teacher of transcendental meditation. Basically, it's a technique where you repeat a mantra or word while meditating to reach a relaxed state and clear the mind. How can doing something so basic make any changes in our lives? There have been several studies conducted in research labs that show that TM changes the makeup of the brain, specifically areas that influence anxiety, stress levels, compassion, and the ability to see others' perspective. These changes in the brain lead to improved academic performance, happier, more confident students, and a reduction in addictions. The most notable benefit that I have found for TM is improved academic achievement. Because brain integrity and efficiency are improved, intelligence and IQ scores go up. Creativity and comprehension are also improved. A study conducted at the University of Oregon concluded that students who took up meditation were found to have changes in the fibers of the brain related to regulating emotions and behavior in accordance with their goals. Studies on high school students showed that those who practiced TM had lower absenteeism and better behavior at school as well. Fewer rules were broken and ADHD symptoms were reduced. This is interesting to me because my grandson has severe ADHD, and it's to the level where he's in trouble at school all the time. His grades are suffering, and his self-confidence is suffering also because he's constantly in trouble, and the adults in his life are fairly frustrated with him. So I would be interested to find out if transcendental meditation would help him in any way. It's been proven that TM reduces anxiety and stress. Many students feel test anxiety and as well as pressure to do well in school, which can cause an inability to concentrate as well as retain and recall information. Another reason TM helps students feel happier is that their perceptual ability increases, making it easier to grasp and understand things. They're also able to see things from another's perspective and help students be more compassionate, fight less, and get along better, thus reducing behavioral issues. It was noticed that students were more resistant to peer pressure. All of these things contribute to less stress and anxiety and an overall happier student. College students are particularly prone to psychological distress caused by interpersonal and social problems, pressures to succeed academically, financial strains, and uncertain futures. Statistics from colleges nationwide indicate that there is a 50% increase in the diagnosis of depression, and more than twice as many students are on psychiatric medications than 10 years ago. Studies have shown that TM reduces this distress, which leads to depression. Because of the high stress levels associated with high school and life in general, many students use prescription medication and alcohol to cope. According to a Columbia University study, nearly half of full-time college students binge drink or abuse prescription drugs. Because meditation induces increased peace of mind, increases his self-awareness of negative behaviors and emotions, and reduces relapse, provoking to stressors, it offers therapeutic benefit to patients in recovery from substance abuse and dependence, many times twice as effective as traditional drug prevention and education programs. The benefits of meditation for students can be life-changing. TM changes the physical makeup of the brain and helps students perform better in school, as well as helps to reduce anxiety and stress. The self-awareness that is achieved by meditation helps students avoid alternative methods of coping with the stresses associated with the life of a student. Knowing that my overall experience in school can be improved, I believe it's wise to learn more about meditation.